Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in a PDF file completely for free using PDF-XChange Editor. Let's begin. First, make sure you have already downloaded the PDF-XChange Editor installed on your PC. So you can look it up, PDF-XChange Editor, right? Make sure to download the free version, right? So free version, and that will cover up most of the basic editing features you will ever need. Now, once you have it installed, open up the application, go ahead, click on File, and browse your or select your PDF file. From here, we will now start editing our text. Just select this part, Edit Text. Once you do that, you will notice small boxes appear around the text areas in your document. Hover over the text you would like to edit, for example, over here, and then a blue highlight will appear. Click on it, and your cursor will start flickering, meaning you are now ready to type. From here, you can add, remove, or change any text you need. For example, if we're going to change this, okay, we can easily remove, uh, add, and configure any text in your PDF file. You can also resize the text box to make sure everything fits neatly on the same line. Now, one important thing to keep in mind, the PDF must be editable document. If the file is locked or secured, you won't be able to make any changes. But as long as you can edit the PDF, you are good to go. And once editing, make sure to click on File, then click Save As, browse your location, and you are good to go once you hit the Save button. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.